Well, Monkey, no outdoor fun today. What should we do?
Let's bake bread. Easy peasy. Just mix stuff and boom. Bread.
Uh, Baking takes time, you know. We need patience.
Patience? Never heard of her.
Monkey, you just turned the kitchen into a snowstorm.
At least it's not boring anymore. Look, I'm a snow monkey.
You can't rush good things, buddy. Let's try again. Slowly this time.
All right? Slow and steady wins the cookie.
See? Perfect bread, teamwork, and patience make magic.
And now, the best part, eating it all before it rains again.